421 and we got straight black smoke coming out of the stack. Telling me that's in limits? Come on. That's got to be a crime.